Greetings, everyone. This is Iron Horse Artist, back with another video. Today, we're at the Chatham County Sheriff's Office. We're just going in here to see if we can exercise our First Amendment right to record in public, make sure our public employees treat us with respect, promote accountability, honesty, transparency, and professionalism. Let's go check it out. So, we immediately greeted with this sign here that says, all that. I read it up close, but as you can see this, I don't see any statutes or codes attached to it. But we're gonna go in here and see what they say. This is legally protected by the Constitution as far as I'm aware of. Okay.
I help you, sir?
Not right now.
Okay, you need to put that, sir. Take that camera down. Don't take no picture here.
Huh? Well, why you gotta talk to me like that? Can we start over? Good grief.
Hey, sir, get out of here with that camera.
Hi, my name is
Central Control to Watch Commander.
goodness gracious.
Front lobby to Watch Commander. Front lobby to Watch Commander. I need you up here ASAP.
Okay, well.
Little lady here taking pictures, and I asked him to leave from out of here. What you call?
Huh? How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing?
She just started yelling at me. She didn't introduce herself or anything, but
Did your phone maybe transfer to mine?
so they don't want to talk. I guess they gonna call somebody. All these pictures and stuff. They don't want me to. Some nice plaques up here. How you doing, man? What's your name, sir? Do you have a badge number or something like that? Or do y'all just, yeah.
How can I help you? You got some ID on you?
Do I have an ID on me?
Well, I mean, how can I help you?
Okay, well, I just come in here peacefully, man. As soon as I walk in, she yelling at me and stuff like that. I asked her name, but she didn't give it to me, so. But I'm just coming here peacefully, exercising my right, that's all.
You just want to look around?
Yeah, just look around in the public accessible areas. No, nothing nefarious going on. She just started yelling. That was very rude, though. You know what I'm saying? How you doing, sir? What's your name? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nothing nefarious going on, man. I just exercising my right, trying to get a document of the building in the publicly accessible areas. That's it.
Okay.
Nothing nefarious. Anything you want to say? I mean, I just gonna go about my business? Okay, thank you, man. Appreciate you. So, we're gonna continue on. All this good art fixture on the walls and stuff, and she just went off the meat rack.
And was there a time frame when you supposed to pay?
Yeah, where is it? Okay. What is it, man?
And we approve, sir.
Yeah, should we plan this?
There we go.
Everything's cool. Something happens where I lost my money, like she said, and there was other things going on at that time, which I still had some money, probably close to like.
This, all this good stuff. Okay.
So we went anyway. I spent my
Take that camera out of here, she says.
I did. Like we talked about planning a trip to New York, a trip back to New York. So you don't have to do that.
Oh man, what are these knives up there for? They got a little pistol, brass knuckles, some different badges. Yeah, this is for the public view. Anything in public, I can record. I don't know what they talking about.
Sir, you're not really supposed to be over this side.
I don't?
No.
Oh, okay, well, I'll get back across the line, or the restricted, is there a restricted area somewhere? A restricted area sign?
Yeah, well,
Like, see, like this door, I can't go back there, right?
no.
But the restricted, oh, I know, but there's no restricted signs.
Not unless you trying to pay your bonds and stuff.
Yeah, see, so that's what I'm saying. There's no, anything that's open to the public.
We have things over here.
Right, so yeah, it's open to the public. So how that works is anything in the public I could film. You know what I'm talking about?
So what you trying to get a rise out of the sheriff?
No, man, I just come in here to peacefully get a video.
Facebook,
Huh? I don't know what you're talking about. What's your name?
It's hard.
You gonna decline to give me your name?
We're gonna put it on Facebook.
You're a public employee, right? I didn't hear you.
You can rewind the footage.
I can rewind the footage. I'll be sure to do that. And I'll highlight your professionalism too. Can't be back there. It's public area. Public restroom right there. It's open to the public as far as I thought. I don't know. You could come on by. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Why I can't go back there. All these good pictures up here. It's a big old sheriff's badge right here. Okay. Can I ask you a question too? Who would I talk to about getting a verbal public records request for this entity?
What we talk about for a public open records request?
The PI.
Yeah,
Public Information Office.
Where is that located?
All you have to do is call 7717 6561.
Yeah, 651.
And ask for the PIO.
7717? Okay.
PIO.
Oh, okay, sure thing. So you can't put it in at the receptionist desk, right?
No, it's easy just to call.
Okay, well, I'll give him a call. I appreciate your professionalism. What did you say your name is again?
So I'm going to see.
Sergeant Garcia? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Sarge. You're very professional, man. I appreciate that. Unlike your patrons over here, they're not too professional. But we are here to highlight those kind of stuff. So I'll go over to the PI. Is that located here?
Just call on your phone.
Oh, call them.
651
7707.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, man. Excuse me, man. What's your name? Okay, well, can you get somebody to come talk to me that's more professional than you?
They gone back to this spot. They have things in there.
Well, who's your boss? I need to know your boss name. Because the sergeant gave me the wrong number, so I just come to get the right number for public records. So you're not going to help me?
I don't know. You Google it.
You're not going to help me? You might need to Google how you be professional and stuff like that. You're not going to give me your name? Could you call Sergeant Garcia out there for me? Oh, okay. So she's just going to ignore me. think this the one that said, "Get out of here with that camera." Not quite sure, but I think it is. This is who we hire with our tax money to work for us. Unprofessional.
All available escorts are needed in unit 4. All available escorts are needed in unit
So they're gonna come up here and talk to me? She don't wanna say nothing. She's a mute. We'll find somebody. I'm gonna put some complaints in on her. I don't know her name, but we got to do what we do, man. We got to do what we do. Listen to how supposedly professionals act to members of the public. But we're gonna put it all on display. Sound like she called him. I'll wait till somebody professional come out and help me conduct my business. I don't understand. The level of ineptitude is ridiculous.
It's a registered letter that she sent to me.
You read it.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna wait and see if somebody come out and talk with me, man. Stay tuned. Hey, how you doing, officer? What's your name, sir?
Lieutenant Baker.
Lieutenant. How you doing, Lieutenant?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Good. Now we don't have to ask you gotta leave the premises. Because we told you you could. It was fine with all the recording and stuff.
Right.
But then you came back. And
Yeah, I wanted. No, I didn't get in her face.
We watched it on the video. We seen you go back up there.
Yeah, I was just trying to get somebody. I didn't harass her. I asked her a simple question.
We asked you, please leave the premises.
Did I break the law or anything?
So right now you have to. Now we gave you that chance.
What chance?
To film.
I didn't harass no staff.
Yes, it is.
Y'all took her word for it.
No,
Do you want me to show you the video?
We see it on video. You came back.
You want to see my video?
That's what I'm telling you. You came back and you went back up to her.
Okay.
Now we asked you to leave.
To ask her a question. It is still time for people of the public to come in, right? Am I right? Am I lying?
We asked you to leave.
I mean, you could ask me, but I could respectfully decline. I'm not breaking the law, and that's what I'm going to do.
We asked you to leave because you're being harassing.
I'm not being harassing. I asked her a question.
But I'm letting you know it's turning into something else.
What is something else? Explain that. Explain that.
Now you could be trespassing
For what?
because we asked you to leave.
You can't just ask me to leave. You could just say anything and want me to leave. Do you understand the trespassing law?
I told you what we asked you.
Do you understand, Lieutenant? Lieutenant, let me talk.
Listen.
Let me talk.
No, listen. Let me finish.
Okay.
We respect you.
Mhm.
We let you come in here and do your video camera.
That's right.
You left out.
Right.
You came back. As soon as we left, you came back and went and spoke.
Because the sergeant gave me the wrong number. All I wanted was the correct number.
So what's the right number?
I don't know. I came to ask her, but she said, now y'all talking about I'm harassing for a simple question.
You went right back up to that desk.
And ask her.
Her phone started harassing her.
I didn't do that. This is legally protected. So this is not considered harassment. So what you saying that me recording her is harassing her?
No. When you
So what is harassing her?
Start harassing her.
What is harassing her?
And start talking.
What's your name,
trash
sir?
to her. I'm Lieutenant Harm, sir.
So you're a lieutenant as well. So you should know the law. If I'm putting a camera on her, that is not considered harassing.
Okay.
The Supreme Court has ruled that this is constitutionally protected, and you can't convert this into a crime. Until the doors close, I have a right to be in here.
Now, as long as you take a picture, you do. Yes, sir, you do.
I'm taking pictures right now, am I not?
Okay. But you wasn't a while ago when you was up there.
Yes, I was. I was taking a picture of her unprofessionalism. That's what I was recording. And I asked her for the sergeant because he gave me the wrong number. Now y'all come and try to bully me, but it ain't gonna happen, sir. It ain't gonna happen. Goodness. It's law enforcement and well they might be a different bracket because I think they are a correctional officer, lieutenant. But this is ridiculous.
You know, they fight at church now.
We're gonna see if we can get this right number, man. Get up out of here, man. They don't understand. I know exactly what I'm doing. Just stay tuned.
So you say you want the PIO number?
Yes.
All right. Here it goes right here.
All right. Well, thank you.
0749
0749 651
65, whatever I put on here. All right.
All right. So,
What you needed, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
You're going back to work.
No, sir. You said that's what you came back up here for.
That's right.
Can you please leave?
Yeah, I'll leave when I get finished doing my business, man. I got the right to record y'all in the course of y'all duties. So if you're going to stand right there, I'm going to record you. What time this place closed? At 5, isn't it? Now you mute. LT. Wow. Yeah. We're going to have to do a revisit and put in some complaints. I might do my complaints tomorrow. Especially that receptionist. We highlight all the unprofessionalism. You gonna ask me to leave during the course of business hours? You don't know the law. They ain't gonna be able to strong arm me. Let me get on out their way. Just walk around for a minute. Oh, excuse me, go ahead. You all right? Make sure they understand the rights of the people. Get me some more shots. Ain't gonna bully me.
I sign out, though.
Go through the whole process again.
Get me some more camera footage to prove a point. Video record them as well in the course of their duties. Two lieutenants. Sitting here doing nothing. Because of a man with a camera. Unbelievable. But they knew better to take it any further. So I'm gonna sit here for a little while and then we're gonna get on up out of here. I'll call the public records office. And then I'm gonna come back, put my complaints in. For sure. Yeah, exit stage left. Yeah, so we're just getting out of the sheriff's office. As you can see, that front desk lady, she was the worst of them all. But I came in to get the phone number because the sergeant gave me the wrong number. But I wound up getting the right number. And I spoke with Beverly. I'll have to deal with her tomorrow. The thing is about the public records, when you do them verbally, you got to do them actually to the administrator or the public records officer when you do them verbally. But we're going to continue this fight, man. And we're going to come back and put those complaints in. And we're going to continue this movement. But we got to learn to not allow these people to infringe on your rights. We see that unconstitutional sign on their front door, but that's just to scare the people. They don't understand the law. But we're going to teach them, and we're going to make sure they understand. With that being said, just remember to like, share, comment, give me some pointers or some different places you want me to go. And we're going to demand professionalism. And we're going to hold everybody accountable. So with that being said, until the next video, it's Iron Horse. We out.